The Breville Smart Grinder Pro takes your favorite style of coffee to the next level. With various grind settings for a range of brewing methods, you can use the Smart Grinder Pro to make the brew you love most. From espresso to percolator, drip, or French press coffee, it's at your fingertips. Before you get your grind on, let's prep your machine. Remove the grinder from its box and safely discard all labels and packing materials. In warm water, wash the cradles, grind container and lid, and the cleaning brush. Dry them thoroughly. Next, using a soft, damp cloth, wipe down the machine's exterior surface. Ensure your grinder is on a level, flat surface and plugged into an outlet. Now to assemble your grinder. Take the bean hopper. Align the tabs on its base and insert it into position. Turn the hopper dial clockwise to lock it in place. You'll hear a click. Time for the beans. We recommend buying freshly roasted beans from your local cafe or coffee roaster to ensure you enjoy third-wave specialty coffee at home. Pour them in and secure the lid. Oh, if the hopper isn't locked properly, a "Please Lock Hopper" message will be displayed on the LCD screen, disabling the operation of the grinder. When you want to remove the bean hopper, simply turn the dial counterclockwise and lift the hopper to pull it out. This handy locking system means you can remove and transfer beans in and out of the hopper and into an airtight container to maintain their freshness. Because each brew type requires a different grind size to optimize extraction, you'll want to adjust the grind settings accordingly. The LCD displays the finest setting, which is perfect for espresso, to the coarsest, which is ideal for French press. With the machine's precise grinding capabilities, it becomes easy to find the right zone for your preferred coffee style and taste. All you need to do is rotate the grind size dial. Below the LCD, you'll find buttons for start, pause, cancel, and shots, cups, plus the grind amount dial. Decreasing the time decreases the dose, and vice versa. As you make adjustments, they'll be reflected on your screen. And that's it. You're all set to grind your first batch of fresh coffee beans to suit whatever cup of deliciousness you've got in mind.